The LG U20 was here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max with wireless. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is going to have active wireless. So it's available with 64 gigs, up to 6 gigabyte storage I can say. So that's the iPhone again. It's 10.99. I mean, for the 64 gigabyte version. I think it's like 11.99 for the 256 gigabyte version. Grab onto colors here, midnight green or Spanish color there. So you can pick the option there. So that's the front down the front. You can also have the nuts, 9 keys on the left, your sound switcher here on the left as well. Power key that will work. Back in the iPhone 11 Pro Max, you do have your camera in the back. Ultra wide and wide and television camera on the back. To my flash Apple logo. Says shoot amazing videos and photos with the ultra wide and television cameras. Capture your best low-light photos with no mode. White HDR movies and shows point 6.5 inch. Super bright XDR display, the brightest iPhone display yet. Experience unprecedented performance with 8,100 for gaming, augmented reality, and photography, and get all the battery life and a new level of water resistance, all in the first iPhone 5 to be called Pro. So they give the special iPhone 11 Pro Max, what a fucking damn Pro fan, you know what I'm saying? God damn. So anyways, y'all have a 6.5 inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, water and dust resistance 4 meters after 30 minutes, IP68 rating for that, triple camera system, 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto camera, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K goes up to 60 frames per second. 12 megapixel true depth front camera and portrait mode, 4K video and so on there. Face ID for secure authentication with Apple Pay. A13 Bionic chip with third generation engine. Fast track with 18 watt adapter included. Flash charging and of course iOS 13 with dark mode, new tools for editing photos and video, and browsing personal features. Right? Pro camera display display for performance setup and obsession over detail. 4 new texture and glass finishes. 5.8 inch or 6.5 inch Super Retina XDR display in the toughest device in the smartphone. Three cameras got color one, and on the back of the get three cameras. It says get an ultra wide camera, a wide angle camera, and a telephoto camera. In the back, all are 12 megapixels in the back. The highest quality video in the smartphone. Shoot 4K videos with extended dynamic frames at 60 frames per second. Capture 4 times more scene and edit with new tools like rotate, crop, and filters. There's a night mode, of course. High tech mix low light 30 from dimming lit restaurants to scene sits on the roofs. The new night mode delivers natural daylight shots automatically. Lots more power, lots more battery life. Get up to 5 more hours of battery life in iPhone 11 Pro Max and up to 4 with the iPhone 11 Pro. Fast charge with the included 18 watt adapter and A13 Bionic neutral engine, the fastest chip in a smartphone ever. And of course, privacy is built in. Face ID is the most secure facial authentication. And smartphone, it doesn't store or share your code, and it's more secure than Touch ID better. You guys also get Apple TV Plus and click on here. Watch original shows and movies on the Apple TV app. Coming November 1st, but the Apple TV Plus will be launching November 1st, so stay tuned for that. AirPods, wireless performance. AirPods deliver unparalleled listening time and sound quality, voice activated Siri access, and wireless charging case. Of course, Apple AirPods is on hand. One-stop support from Apple experts. Apple AirPods provides extended repair coverage and 24/7 priority support from the people who know the iPhone best. Then let's on accessories. If you guys want the accessories for the iPhone, if you guys want the accessories for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, go to Amazon and get your accessories there. And you guys can also compare the three iPhones side by side in terms of camera specs and screen displays and stuff like that. So check that out. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is now available with wireless 64 gigs $10.99 or cheaper at 6 gigs. I think $11.99 for that. So check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and listen out a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.